I like when my underwear them comfortable and not squeeze me. Can't bother. This ever happened to me yet? And I buy underwear and it's too small. And all they like I work or something, I have to use the scissors and bust it waist them. Yo, oh God. You don't know your girl Melica's Skylife in the building. Yo, what of them? Yo! What of them? Tell me now. Guys, I'm looking so cute today. Slay, baby, slay. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so proud I've been working on my consistency, uploading every Monday and every Friday. So if you're on my channel for the first time, please stop, hit that subscription button, and by doing that, you're showing me the love, you know. So guys, I never done a video like this on my channel before, but you know, I'm working on creativity, trying to find my niche and stuff like that on this channel. So today I'll be doing a Victoria's Secret haul. You know, I got some stuff the other day, I can't find some of them, but what I have here, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Y'all know that I went on vacation the other day. Please go check out the vacation vlogs. They will be linked somewhere about here. You know, show the love on those. I worked very hard on those to show, you know, showing what I'm doing and stuff, and I had a really amazing time. So big up on the damn king stuff. So if you're interested in the Victoria's Secret video, please keep watching.
Now I'ma tell the world, I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, yeah, I'm a billboard.
Okay, so one of the first one that I like this one. This is the, let's see what this name now. I took small/petite because they're really stretchy. If you know anything about underwear, like especially in underwear and bra shopping, you have to check the waist and you have to check the legs. Once the leg them can stretch, you don't really need a big panty. This is small/petite. And you know, want to see how sexy, I'm telling you. So these I got them for like, they had a sale, so I got them for I think $8 each, something like that. So this is the cheeky, made in India. This is the cheeky, so you know you sit down by you well nice. You understand? Imagine that. So this is the first one. I'm showing you. I got another one to that. I got the pink. The pink is, oh, tell me that this pink is not nice. And it's the same size. I think it's cheeky as well. Cheeky. Very sexy. One thing about me, I like underwear because underwear is one of the things that help you to shape good. You know, you have to have an underwear that is up at your navel. One thing with the Victoria's Secret ones, they fit very nice at your navels. I'm gonna show you some of the ones that I got, some of the more fitting ones. This is the bikini line, the high waist bikini line cut. So you have a bikini front here, so, and then the back. Well, not that I said it's big, but it fits very well. You want to have underwear that cover your buttocks. It gives you that firmness. Ask me about mine. Hey, yeah. So this is very good. And then now the waistband, the band at the waist, it really hugs your waistline. You can pull up to your navel. I like these things there. So this is the bikini cut. I think I took a, let me see how it says. That is a small, an extra small. So they fit very big to me. Alright, so this one is which one is I know? This is a cheeky one as well, but this is a full one. Again, the band at the waist. There's a, oh, that Victoria's Secret though. The band at the waist is very broad, so it's gonna hug your waistline very well. You know, say cheeky run about can be a thing. You have some animal print on and so. I got another high waist Victoria's Secret. This is a full color. I don't like my underwear too much color because depending on the type of clothes they wear, go short on their bottom. But this fit is so good. The waistband again is very nice. This is a bikini cut as well. So if you have a nice bra to it, if you have the Victoria's Secret bra to it, you can wear it as a swimsuit. And this is extra small/petite. All right, this one says love, 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 love. So this is the cut at the front. This is a thong string, obviously. So this is a thongy thong. So this is great if you're going to the gym, because when I go to the gym, I normally wear seamless underwears, black underwear, or thongy thong, because I don't like when they print out at the gym. I don't think it's like ladylike. I don't like go to gym and see girls have on like pink panty print out under the workout clothes. Like, I don't think it's classy, you know. I don't know see a classiness with it over here soon. This one I got it in a medium because it's a different cut, and this one is this is cheeky. I think I got this too big. Or this. I think I got this too big, but I think you go fit alright just the same. Victoria's Secret at the waistband. I like Victoria's Secret underwears very, very much because of the waistband. The waistband just hug you very much. This looks like our medium too. Yeah, this is a medium as well. They look big to me, but I like when my underwear them comfortable and not squeeze me. Can't bother. This ever happened to me yet? When I buy underwear and it's too small, and all they like I work or something, I have to use this as a bossy waist them. Like that happens to me. Like I know that happens to me and one of my other friends. Like you'll be there sitting and say, no sir, what is a squeeze up a property stuff? You have to go so boom boom, cut up beside them, wicked. Yeah, so the waistband here is so good. Then I got a black one because you know say black, you know say you have to get black stuff. I like black underwears, like I mostly wear black underwears. Especially for the gym because I don't know, I don't want nobody else to look on there and something there. But a thong is good because at the back when you squat and so, nah go show. So this is what it is here. So this is yeah, this is a thong. And this is a medium. Some of them I got small. So with the underwear that I got, some of them I got in small, petite, extra small. My favorite one, I got some other ones, but I can't find them. My favorite one though is fire. I like this one. I think it fits very, very, very good. So thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I don't know your girl Melica Skylife in the building. You're one of them.